Hey guys, so the cost of living has gone quite high and you have to be smart so that you stay within your budget. So for me, I shop at the market and these green peas, they costed me 100 shillings, which I could not get that at the estate. And I have also gotten potatoes. So this pack goes for 100 shillings. It has about 8 to 9 big potatoes. These ones are the big ones in size. And then I got these sweet potatoes. So the sweet potatoes go for 60 shillings a kilo, and these ones were 2 kilos. So these ones are 120 shillings. And then saumu, garlic, the price of garlic is also quite high. So these ones I got them at 20 shillings per piece, but they are the smaller in size. And then these ones are French beans. These ones were 40 shillings. Yeah, these ones were 40 shillings. They were being sold in some type of can. These lemons are always a deal at the market, so I got 3 of them. The 3 of them at 10 shillings, and the whole of this pack costed me 50 bob. And then this is purple cabbage for salads. That one costed me 50 shillings because it's a very small size. I also got omena. I don't know how omena is called in English. Labda mniambie. So that one was 100 shillings, half a kilo. And then these avocados, they are unripe, but they looked quite good and mature. So I got the 4 pieces at 50 shillings. And then the tomatoes are medium in size. Also them, I was buying 3 of them at 10 shillings, and these ones were 50 bob. So I think tomatoes are not scarce right now. I think we have some tomatoes on the market, so that's why I'm able to. And then all these oranges were 100 shillings, so they were selling a kilo at 50 shillings. So if I'm not wrong, I had around 15 oranges, 15 to 20 oranges. So now these carrots were 150 shillings for the big 2 kg tin. Waluya tunaita gorogoro. So yeah, they were quite a lot of them. This one will take me for a month. And now here is everything that I got, and the total cost of these things is actually exactly 1,000 shillings. So guys, you can see it's a good deal. If you have a family or if you just want to save some money, then the market is the way to go. There is variety and you get to choose whatever you want. I also got some rice and lentils, but hey guys, somebody tell me why. Somebody tell me why the price of lentils is so high. The seller was selling these ones at 320 per kg, so I only got a half kg at 160 bob. And then I did a small reset because I needed to clear my sink, and this is how it was. So I washed up and just enjoy the music as we wash.
Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted. there watching where I step, still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in